Welcome to Fraser Place, Canary Wharf. To begin planning your exceptional stay, simply scan the QR code displayed or refer to the description below for booking details and exclusive offers. Imagine stepping into a world where modern sophistication meets unparalleled convenience. Fraser Place, Canary Wharf, a beacon of contemporary elegance in the heart of London, welcomes you. Built in 2001 and elegantly renovated in 2013, our four-star haven is a testament to refined living. Within its walls, you'll discover 108 meticulously appointed rooms. Each space is a sanctuary of comfort, thoughtfully designed with modern amenities to cater to both the discerning business traveler and the leisure seeker. Here, in this vibrant district, just a short 5-kilometer journey from the bustling city center, experience the ease of seamless travel. The hotel rests a convenient 15-minute drive from the airport, allowing for effortless arrivals and departures. Consider enjoying a flexible schedule with check-in beginning at 4 p.m. and checkout available until 11 a.m. Our modern fitness center is equipped with cutting-edge equipment, catering to all your workout needs. Whether you're focused on invigorating cardio or strength training, we provide the space and resources to maintain your wellness routine. We understand that every detail contributes to a memorable experience, and Fraser Place, Canary Wharf is here to welcome you. We trust that your experience with us will be nothing short of extraordinary. Before you go, we encourage you to revisit the QR code on your screen or the booking details in the description to finalize your reservations and begin looking forward to your luxurious stay.